In this video, I will show you how you can use voice access to answer or end calls on your Samsung Galaxy S26, S26 Plus, or the S26 Ultra. Now to do that, just go to Settings, and under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Under the Accessibility settings, just tap on Interaction and Dexterity, and on this page, you will find the option for voice access. Now just enable the toggle for voice access, then tap on Voice Access shortcut. And from here, just select where you want to see the shortcut for voice access. You can either select the accessibility button and it will appear as the accessibility button on the screen, or you can just select, press the side button and the volume up button at the same time, or you can select the third option, which is press and hold both the volume buttons for 3 seconds. Now I will select the first option. Now after you do that, then just tap on the shortcut to enable voice access, then tap on continue. Now just select while using the app. And as you can see, we have successfully enabled voice access on our Samsung phone. Now, if we receive a phone call on our Samsung phone, we will be able to pick up and answer the call using our voice. Answer call. Just like that. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.